Hey, it's the Everyday Man, and I'm here with my Masterbuilt smoker again. We're going to smoke a meatloaf, and that meatloaf is going to come out perfectly juicy. It's going to have a nice smoke ring on it, great smoke flavor, and I think you're really going to like it, and I hope you give it a try yourself. And hey, if you like what you see today, please hit the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate it, and you'll get to see more of these videos. So we're going to put the meatloaf on at 300 degrees, and it's not even going to take an hour and a half to smoke and cook. This is my wife's meatloaf mix. It's got 2 eggs in it, a chopped up onion, breadcrumbs, and the meatloaf mix is half ground beef and half ground pork. All right, let's get this thing fired up. First thing, don't ever forget, take the baffles out first. I use the Masterbuilt fire starters, so I need to put some charcoal in it. Before I do, I always like to layer. I put some wood chunks in it. I'll put 2 in. Then I put the charcoal in. Now what you can do is layer it, right? So I put some charcoal in. Now I'll put some more wood in. And now I'll put more charcoal in to fill it up. I'm going to close this up. I'm going to close the top. And then I'm going to turn it on. And once I turn it on, I'm going to set it on the app for 300 degrees. This is the temp spike. It is a dual purpose temperature probe. Of course, this end goes into the meat, and the end of it measures the air temperature inside the smoker. So we're going to put that in the meat right now. All right. Okay, so the meat's on. It's at 300 degrees. I've got the temperature probe in the meat, and we're going to let that go. I'm going to say it's going to be done in an hour and a half. All right, well, it's been an hour. Take a look at it here. The internal temperature is 130 degrees. My guess is we got about a half an hour left, and it's going to be done. So here's the smoking wood I'm using today. This is Oklahoma Joe's hardwood chunks. You know, we put it in the top here already with charcoal, right? We put layers of wood and layers of charcoal, but I want more smoke. So what do? Open it up and see how the coals are dropping down into the ash. What you're going to do is take your wood chunk and just toss it right on in there. They're going to smoke like crazy because the red hot coals are dropping right on top of them. So we'll close that down. And that's going to give us another element of smoke. We're ready to go. It's about an hour and a half. Let's check it out. Let's get that on there. That's a nice meatloaf, huh? Let's cut into this and take a look at it. There you go. That's a nice looking meatloaf. Look at the smoke ring around it. You got a nice crispy bottom to it, and it's super juicy. Perfectly done. Well, as usual, it was pretty easy cooking a meatloaf. An hour and a half, and it was done perfectly. So this is the Everyday Man saying thank you very much for watching. We'll see you next time.